Min filgħodu kmieni, ċ-ċentru tal-Midja f'Santirmu beda jintela bat ta' ġurnalisti li ġew minn aġenziji internazzjonali. One News ġie proprju hawnhekk biex isaqsi lill-ġurnalisti x'qed jistennew minn dan is-summit. Dawk li jsegwu l-politika internazzjonali b'mod kontinwu jemmnu li wara bosta laqat li ma waslu għal-imkien, il-Valletta Summit għandu jkun pass il qudiem biex ikun determinat x'għandha tkun it-triq quddiem l-isfida tal-migrazzjoni.
Most people, not only the journalists, but the general public, the general European, they expect finally something to start to happen, because we've seen many summits so far, most of them extraordinary in Brussels, and each time there is a commitment to do something to start resolving the crisis, and finally basically nothing happens.
But definitely there is going to be statements, and we'll try to see whether the language that will be here will be different from what we have heard previously.
But the main issue is let the summit not be like a venue that people will be saying nice words to each other, and by the end of the day the leaders will not be delivering to expectation.
Ġurnalisti differenti jagħtu interpretazzjoni differenti tal-ġrajiet li qed iseħħu, influenzati wkoll minn dak li qed jiġri fil-pajjiż li ġejjin minnu. Minkejja li l-Latvija mhix tintlaqat direttament minn waslit ta' migranti, madankollu qed tintuża bħala rotta biex l-immigranti jilħqu l-Ewropa tal-Punent. Artjom Skonohovsk, ġurnalist mill-Latvija, spjega li din is-sitwazzjoni li ħolqot ċerti biża' fost il-poplu Latvijan.
There is a lot of fear from people about what is going to happen if we're going to have I think we are supposed to have 751 refugees coming through the EU relocation scheme. How is it going to be? Where are those people going to be located? Are they going to learn the local language? Are they going to integrate? Or are they just simply going to run away whenever they have the chance to Germany, to Sweden, to other countries that have a higher life standard?
Fil-każ tal-Bulgarija s-sitwazzjoni hija differenti. Il-ġurnalist mill-Istazzjon Nazzjonali tal-Bulgarija Vladislav Velev jemmen li l-Valletta Summit se jgħaddi għal azzjonijiet konkreti.
Recently Bulgaria started to be at the start of the route for many refugees, and there's been a very big influx which our country wasn't prepared for it. So it's really big problem.
Imbagħad hemm każi bħal Portugal li bħala pajjiż huwa lest li jilqa' refuġjati, però mhumiex jaslu.
We didn't receive any refugees, so everyone is expecting with much attention to see what decisions, because everyone in Portugal says we have all the infrastructures ready, so why can't the people come to us?
Fiċ-ċentru tal-Midja smajna wkoll in-naħa l-oħra tal-munita, dik tal-ġurnalist Lamin Kante mill-Gambja li jmexxi l-Kamra tal-Aħbarijiet ta' Eye Africa. Fil-każ tal-Gambja tirċievi kemm immigranti ta' pajjiżi ġirien kif ukoll għandha nies mill-pajjiż stess li jippruvaw jilħqu l-Ewropa.
We want anything that have been said or will be said in this particular summit, let it be an action-oriented